Vecteezy review. Is this the best free graphic source? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be explaining to you guys or reviewing to you guys Vecteezy. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts right here for the pro version of Vecteezy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So basing from Trustpilot right here, Vecteezy has a 4.9 star rating out of 5 stars, and then it also has 34,906 reviews. So this is a really good star to review ratio. So this is the review summary right here from all the reviewers that are reviewing Vecteezy. So reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Customers appreciate the highlight quality of the content available, including photos, videos, and vectors. People find the website easy to navigate with a beginner-friendly interface. Consumers also highlight the value for money, especially the availability of free resources that are useful for a wide range of projects. The user's experience is another key point, with many reviewers mentioning the ease of downloading and using the resources. The variety of styles and subjects available is also praised, with users reporting that they can almost always find what they are looking for. Many customers recommend this platform as a valuable tool for designers, students, and content creators. So yeah, moving on, so we have the pricing right here for the Vecteezy Pro. So for Vecteezy Pro, you can get unlimited downloads. So for the Pro version, you'll get thousands of free resources, over 50 million Pro resources, unlimited downloads, full commercial rights, no attribution required, legal indemnification, bundle and collection downloads, background removal tool, and faster downloads, and no ads. So these are the two pricings right here. So again, if you want to get special discounts, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So first is we have the yearly subscription right here. So the monthly cost of the yearly subscription is $4.50 a month, in where you can get or save 36% off of the original price. So in the monthly subscription, the monthly price is $7 a month. So that's a pretty huge difference between the monthly and the yearly plan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos for Vecteezy, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the review for Vecteezy. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.